Mm.
Hello participant, how are you? Welcome to AU. At the mercy of Allah, you are well. Now I start my lecture of conditional sentence. At first, I say something about conditional sentence. That is, what is the conditional sentence? What is the definition of it? Conditional sentence describes the result of a certain condition. There are two parts of conditional sentence. One is if clause and other is result clause. If clause tells the conditions and the other clause tells the result. We see here first conditional sentence. If you come, it is present indefinite tense and it is future indefinite tense. Structure is first if plus subject, that is present indefinite tense, and result group, that is future indefinite tense. This is first conditional sentence. Next example, if you study, you will pass. That is structure here, if plus present indefinite plus future indefinite. If you will study, you will pass. Next, C number. If he invites me, I will attend there. Structure is if plus present indefinite plus future indefinite. This is the structure and this is the example of past first conditional. Structure is if plus present simple plus future simple. This is the structure here. If we adjust the structure, next again I say about this. Are you clear? Help participant. Are you clear? I think you are clear. If you come, this is first conditional and structure is if you come, it is present indefinite tense and I will go, it is future indefinite tense. Then if you study, present indefinite tense and you will pass, this future indefinite tense. Then if he invites me, I will attend there. It is present indefinite tense and then it is future indefinite tense. Structure is if plus present simple plus future simple. This is the conditions of first conditional. Next, we see second conditional. If you learn, you would get a better result. That is, learned past indefinite, reached past indefinite, had past indefinite. We say if you reached earlier, you could catch the train. Next, had I a lot of money, I would help the poor. Structure is if plus past simple plus future in the past. If plus past simple plus future in the past. This is the second conditional. Again we say that, hello participant, are you clear? I think you are clear. First you see, this is if, then past indefinite and subject, then would, could, might, verb present form. Number B, if you reached, if subject past form of the verb. Next part, that is result part here, subject would, could, might, then verb present form. Here the verb present form is used here. And C number, had I a lot of money, this is past indefinite tense, then subject would plus present form of the verb. Structure is here if plus past simple and future in the past. This is the second condition. Next, we see the third conditional. Third conditional. A. If you had asked me, I would have replied. Third conditional structure is if past perfect tense, then second part, that is result part of the clause, if plus would have or might have, then past participle of the verb. Again, if plus past perfect is subject plus had plus verb past participle. Remember that subject plus had plus past participle of the verb, and the result group subject plus would have or might have, then past participle of the verb. Number C, he had learned English you would have past. Here if plus past perfect tense and the result part subject plus would have or might have plus past participle of the verb. Past perfect tense is subject plus had plus past participle of the verb. Here is the example of third conditional. C number. If I had been a king, I would have helped the poor. C number structure is if plus past perfect tense and the result group, that is the result part, subject plus would have or might have plus past participle of the verb. This is the structure of third conditional. I think, hello students, are you clear? The third conditional, I think it is clear. This is the structure of first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. I repeat it. The first conditional tells the result. First conditional tells the result, tells the condition, and the second part tells the result. There are two parts of a conditional. One part is if clause and the other group is result group. That is, if conditional tells the condition and the result group tells the result. That is, another group tells the result. This is the condition and this is the result. This is the main structure of the third conditional. I think it is clear. Okay, at the mercy of Allah, you will stay safe and stay at home. Okay, thank you.